Hi, today I'm gonna unbox the U&U's a woman's wallet and the passport cover. So let's take a look. You see that it's very nice packaging, and it is a website of the brand, and also this is the brand U plus use. So just let open. So can see what is inside the box. Okay, sorry. So on a tripod. So another box inside. It look very nice. It's beautiful. See that? See? Reflect. It look like a channel or some luxury brand. So we lift it up. Ooh, another box or another bag. Here, just remove it. Here we have some card that have some like message from the seller also, and a thank you card for buying. So I put it here. Let's look at this. Okay, we need to remove this bag. So it just look like a luxury brand. So the bag is like this. So put it here, and another thin layer of paper. Just remove it. Let's have something. Okay, ta-da! Here, this looks beautiful. So this is a bigger wallet. So it have this under or something. It's no about that. Here, that U&U's Unica and Unico. So that is abbreviation. So it's made from the nice metal and nice polishing, and you see the texture. It look like a real leather. So let's see. Wow. Inside we have a passport cover. So and it's also the red color. You can see that. So it's very soft surface, and it looks like a real leather here. So basically we put our passport here, and we have the slot for the credit card also. And inside the wallet we have a bunch of things. So we can put our bank check. Also the card here. You see, you can have to put the card here. Okay, so it's the demo. And also we have another one here. It look like a small wallet. So we have the zip here. Just unzip it, and inside we have a very nice. So that's basically all we have here with a 30 bucks. So it's pretty ideal.